When choosing classes for your freshman year, it can be hard to know whether you should take the honors course or the academic course. This video will help you navigate these challenges and pick the classes that will be the best for you. You may be asking, well, what's the difference? Well, honors classes are a higher level of education. They typically have a heavier workload and are given more challenging assignments than the academic classes. Also, honor classes are typically less forgiving about due dates and missing assignments. Remember that you can take a mixture of honors and academic classes. So, for example, if English isn't your best subject, but you excel in math, you might want to take an academic English class and an honors math class. We know this is confusing and that you probably still have lots of questions about the difference between academic and honor classes. So, we've asked a couple of teachers from the high school to tell you more about them.
Hello, I'm Mr. Fight. I'm the 9th grade honors English teacher as well as academic. And if you're curious as to whether or not honors English is right for you, these are some things you might want to consider. First of all, if you like to read and are curious about stories, languages, and ideas, maybe this is for you. Okay? If you enjoy discussing books, characters, themes, and have big questions, possibly so. Okay? Willing to work hard, then you might want to think about that as well. Can you manage your time effectively with homework and reading? Comfortable with participating in class? That's one, usually it's a big thing. Have strong grammatical fundamentals, okay? And if you're able to think critically and ask why and how, then maybe honors is for you. If it's not the best fit for you, if you don't enjoy reading, you might want to think of taking academic instead, okay? If you struggle significantly with grammar and writing, you might want to stand clear from honors English. If you prefer not to participate in class discussions, okay, maybe not. If you have difficulty managing multiple assignments and deadlines, maybe honors isn't for you, okay? And then want less demanding workload, then academic would probably be your best choice. Okay, so there's no shame in taking academic English or honors. They're both the same English classes in the fact, but honors is a little more challenging. So that's what we have.
Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Knoll. I'm one of the math teachers here at the high school. So I'm going to talk to you about what your choices are for math classes as a freshman. So if you are currently in Algebra 1 with Mrs. Wiest, then you can take Honors Algebra 2, or you can double up and take Honors Algebra 2 and Geometry. You also could take regular Algebra 2. The difference between regular Algebra 2 and Honors Algebra 2 is primarily how much content you learn and how fast it goes. So in Honors Algebra 2, we don't spend as much time on each topic, and there's an entire chapter in Honors Algebra 2 that we do there that isn't in the regular Algebra 2 class. So Honors Algebra 2 is just faster paced and more material. So if you're feeling really good about Algebra 1 this year, then Honors Algebra 2 would be the right choice for you. If you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed this year, then taking a step back to regular Algebra 2 might be your better option. If you have a career goal where you want to do something in the science or math or engineering field and you want to get ahead on math, you could also do that doubling on Honors Algebra 2 and Honors Geometry as a freshman. If you are in your regular Math 8 class right now, then you don't have a whole lot of options. We don't have an honors version of Algebra 1, so you will either be taking Algebra 1 or Algebra 1A, and then you would have more options your sophomore year, the following year. So I hope that helps. Can't wait to see you next year.
Hi, I'm Ms. McCartney. I am the biology teacher. So if you're trying to decide between honors bio and regular bio, some differences are honors bio is a double period every other day, so it's worth a credit and a half. It goes a lot more in depth into some of the topics. We do extra projects, it's extra work. There's research projects, the tests are a little bit more in depth. One thing that I offer the regular bio kids that I don't offer the honors bio kids is test corrections. So if you're not a good tester, you might want to consider staying in the regular bio class. But if you are into science and you like to get your work done, then I think maybe Honors Bio would be for you. And also, if you are thinking of possibly being a college athlete, you will need a lab science to do that. So this is one way to fulfill that obligation, because this is a lab credit. So if you have any questions, you can email me, Ms. McCartney, and I'll try to help you out.
Hopefully, this video has helped you understand the difference between honors and academic classes and which ones will be the best fit for you. Good luck in your high school career!